Hello everyone, I am Nikhil. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. I would like to explain the course of Computer Network, and the topic is Network Topologies. Introduction to Network Topology. The network topologies defines the layout and the structure of a computer network, and the different topologies offers unique advantages and disadvantages. By the understanding the network topology is essential for efficient network design and the troubleshooting. And there are many types of the topologies, and the first one is the bus topology. In the bus topology, all devices are connected to a single backbone cable, and the communications occurs through the main cable known as a bus. And the simply cost effective, but the single cable failures and disrupt the entire network. And the next one is the star topology. In the star topology, the all devices are connected to a central hub or a switch, and each device has dedicated connection to the central hub. It can be easily to add or remove the devices, but the hub represents a single point of the failure. And this shows the figure as a then the each device is connected in the central hub, and in a network structure that is called as a network topology, and sometimes it serves as a star network. The next one is the ring topology. In a ring topology, the devices are connected in a closed loop or a ring, and each device is connected to two or more devices in the network, and it can be traveling in one direction, that ensuring the equal access to the network and reducing the collision. And this figure shows the how the ring topologies can be formed. And the next one is the mesh topology. In the mesh topology, then the each devices is connected to every other devices in the network. It offers to redundancy and fault tolerance as a multiple paths exist from the data transmission, and the complex and expensive to implement, but it is highly reliable and scalability. And this figure shows how the network topology can be formed. And the next one is a tree topology. In a tree topology, the devices are arranged in the hierarchical structure that resembling a tree, and it can be multiple star topologies are connected to a central backbone, and it offers to scalability and allows for easily expansion, but it can be the difficult to troubleshoot. And this is a tree topology, how it can be diagram can be found, and how the devices are connected to the topologies in the network. And next one is a hybrid topology. In the hybrid topology, it combines the two or more different topologies, and it can be provides the flexibility and customization based on the network requirements, and it allows to utilization of advantages from multiple topologies. And the hybrid network topologies can be having a type of a network topology that can combine two or more networks topologies, and that's including the ring, bus, mesh, and topologies. And the next one is the advantages and disadvantages of the network topology. And the advantages is that can be different topologies that can offer the various advantages that we are based on the network needs. And bus topology is simple and cost effective for the small networks. And the star topology that can be provides the easily to devise the management and the fault isolations. And the advantages is the it is the most appropriate for the little networks, and it is not a difficult to set up the handle and carry out, and the traffic is under and the information transmission is fast, and in contrast with the transport, a ring is better in taking care of the burdens, and the setup makes the simple distinguish that can be shortcoming of the network hubs, and it is less exorbitant than a star topology. And the disadvantages is it is isn't difficult to separate the issues for the network hubs, and the disadvantage of the solitary hubs in the network that can be make the whole is network to fail, and the mass production is not environmentally friendly, and the arrangement the cost is very high, and the hybrid topologies is in challenges to introduce and design. The next one is the disadvantages of network topologies. And the bus topology is a prone to single point of a failure and limited scalability. And the star topology releases the heavily on the central hub, and it can be expensive to implement. And the mesh topologies that requires the complex cabling and can be challenging to manage. The next one is a conclusion of the network topology. And the conclusion of the network topology that play a crucial role in the designing and effective, efficient, and reliable networks. That choosing the right topologies depends on the factor and such as scalability, then the fault tolerance, and the cost. And by the understanding the characteristics of trade-offs of each topology is essential for the network success. And the topologies are essential for the computer networks to design, and its efficient networks can be built only based on the complete knowledge and understanding the above the mentioned topologies. And it can be knowledge of every communication devices is to equal importance of help you can find the best option for the network requirements. And the optimum networks that can be built with the complete knowledge and understanding the computer network devices and how they are designed, and mistake in the choosing the inappropriate techniques that the devices etc. That can be only the waste of the time, that can be resources and the efforts. And these are the network topologies can be play a crucial role in the designing and efficient and the reliable networks. And then the choosing the right topologies that can be depends on the factors such as scalability and the fault tolerance and the cost. By the understanding the characteristics of the trade options of each topology is essential for the network success. So thank you for watching this video.